Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be learning how to draw the spline tool. So to start, let's pick our front plane and select sketch. The first type of spline we need to learn is the regular spline, which is you'll be using this most often, which is you click a point, you click your next point, you click another point, you click another point. So it's pretty much you clicking all the points you want the spline to pass through. And once you're done, you right click and press select. So you've drawn your spline. So now that you have your spline, you can click on those points and drag them to reposition those points. So that is how you draw the first type of spline. And another type of spline you'll be using most often is the style spline. So we'll select the style spline and we'll just click another point, 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 and press select. So the difference between these two types of spline is this point, you use this point, the end point of the construction line, to control your spline, as opposed to this spline where you use the point itself to control the spline. So that is the difference between those two types of spline, and those are the ones you'll be using most often. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.